How to set up Rosetta Stone for kids. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up Rosetta Stone for kids. Alright, setting up Rosetta Stone for kids is a great way to introduce them to language learning in a fun and engaging way. So how do you do that? The first step is to visit the Rosetta Stone website or download the application and then create an account for your child. Alright, you can use an email and set up a password. So after creating an account, just like I've done here, you can see that I've created an account. Select the language that you would want the child to learn. So once you've done that, then the next step would be for you to select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Alright, because Rosetta Stone offers different plans for different age groups and learning levels. So move to the bottom part of the screen, bottom right corner, and click on the padlock icon that stands for your subscription, and then select a plan that is most suitable for your child. All right, and so after selecting your plan, make your payment, subscribe. All right, by clicking on subscribe now, then make your payments. And once you've done that, the next thing to do would be for you to set up the learning environment to ensure your child has a quiet, comfortable space to learn without distractions. And so after you've made your payment, Rosetta allows you to customize the learning plan based on your child's age and proficiency level. So you can do that by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll be able to customize the learning plan based on your child's age and proficiency level. I would advise that you choose a beginner, that you can set goals and then track the progress of your child. Then from time to time, encourage your child to practice regularly and engage with the lessons. You can also join them in learning to make a fun family activity. So this is how it works, okay? So if you still need help in setting up your Rosetta Stone for your child, you can just reach out to the customer support by clicking on the gear icon at the top part of the screen. Scroll down, click on help and support, and you'll be further directed on how you can go about it. So that is it. Thank you and have a good day.